Welcome to our channel. Today our sketchy drawing is of a house and coloring it. Now we've used a black. Let's start by drawing a circle. Draw its thickness. And then release the fat body. Draw the handle. This is the spout. Teapot cap. 2 wavy lines. Bent vines and leaves. Triangles. Circle. Drawing a cute eye and mouth. Now the simple drawing is complete. Let's start stroking and bolding. Woo! Done, great. Now let's get to the coloring. Orange. Yellow. Light green. Lemon yellow. Blue. Dark green. Pink. Gray violet. Yellow. Purple. Yellow. Light green. Red. Green. Buhl. Buhl. Dark green. Light green. Red. Flesh. Rose. Our work is done. It's beautiful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.